Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to BONK update today. So BONK is a little bit short here. Bitcoin is kind of pumping and dumping in the middle, causing some coins to pump and some coins to actually fall down. So we've seen a break. I've talked about the break, and this happened back in 9th of February, so 3 days ago, and everything was pretty good, pretty nice and green over the past 3 days. You went all the way up to 1390, actually 1413, and you actually made this one shooting star, and then from there this was the reversal candle, and the most logical place that it looks for BONK now is to come down and retest the trend line. So 1092 is going to be the place where it's make it or break it. If you make it up, there you go. If you come inside the triangle, go down to 951, you break it, right? You break it, and I think that's when you really push and continue to go to the downside, right? So that's just how the descending triangle works at the moment. I've been telling you for a long time, and yes, I kind of had my point and I had my reasons why we could break down and go to this target. But I've already told you so many times, it really depends on the break. It doesn't matter what I think. And you had your break, you had your clear break to the upside and not to the downside. Now let's hope it just doesn't come down here and do any fake outs right over there. Now what we can do is we can I can actually try to show you descending triangle fake outs, right? So descending triangle fake out, and I want to show you some few things that you need to probably know. So one thing is here you are. So this was a break to the downside. I just hope this image loads up so that I can show you, and it's not even loading up, but if you kind of see this, you can see that there was a break to the downside. You came up and up and up, and then you broke up, and all of a sudden you pushed higher. So that was a fake out to the downside. And this was particularly what I was expecting for BONK previously. You can see that this was your descending triangle, and then it popped to the downside, and it actually went even lower. Now it didn't happen that way, of course. And then you have another one. This is a fake breakout to the downside, and this is a real breakout, and then the price increases to the upside. What else can we show you? I still need a breakout that shows that you popped up and then you come down. Kind of have to see that, and go here. I don't know. I don't think I'm finding any image right now that shows fake out, and it doesn't look like we have too much evidence. Anyways, this may be the first ever pattern in descending triangle history where it broke to the upside, came down, and then dropped to the downside and did something like that. Because if break can happen like this and then you go up, you can still see break like this and still go down. And of course, again, we need a retest. Make a successful retest, boom, you push higher, no doubt, no any other ways. This is moving up, and 2500 could be a technical target. But then again, I'm just making you aware of fake outs, and if you try to come to 951, then understand that's the biggest hint that you have a potential fake out. And this one went for the retest, and retest means testing something. If the test passes, you go up. If it fails, you go down. Simple. So that's all for this BONK update. I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.